analytics. Now if you head over to pinterest.com, and you can see, okay, I have already connected my site. Okay, now why you need to connect Pinterest? Because Pinterest is search based intent. People come on Pinterest, it is search based, and what we're going to do is we're going to automate. So whatever post you create here, it is automatically posted into Pinterest feed. Now for that, we're going to click on edit profile, and here go to claimed accounts. Okay, here under the website, we're going to click on claim, and it will ask you to choose how you want to claim. Add HTML code, upload HTML file, add TXT record, and we're going to click on add HTML tag, click on copy, continue, and here we're going to put our domain www.army123.com, and it's going to ask us to verify, but we're going to go to our code snippets. We're going to go to header, and here under the header, under this code, we're going to paste this. Okay, now click on save changes, and here go to Pinterest, click on verify, connected. That's it. Okay, to track conversion, how well ads. Okay, we don't want this. That's it. Now if I actually head over to Pinterest, you can see. Now let me take this. Okay, claim this account. We can unclaim this media with Raj, unclaim this, and we already have claimed this army123.com. and if I actually refresh this, you should be able to see army123.com. okay, now what I'm going to do is go to RSS feed, create pins. Okay, now here I'm going to click on connect to RSS feed, and here I'm going to give my site name www.army123.com/RSS. Now if I actually go to this, right now you will see less code because we didn't write any post articles. Now if I actually do this and select create a board and job guides, make sure the board is public, create, and here if I click on save, and we do this every month, okay, the articles will auto post here, whatever the articles you write along with the image. Okay, so that's how you do it. If you want to know how to create Pinterest business account, you want to watch my older videos, okay, you can watch my Pinterest